Words are so powerful. Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Muhammad Rashid, and I just wanted to remind you how powerful words are, because sometimes we can see things, especially in the physical material world that we live in today, and we think things are everything. But what we don't realize is that words are so powerful. And this is why if you think about something like the Quran, it's collection of words. It's Allah's words, right? And so this Quran transforms people's hearts. It transforms people's lives. And it's all done through words. Now, these words can be applied to your life today. So for example, let's say you're going through some sort of difficulty. You're going through some sort of challenge. You're going through a time which is difficult for you. You know, those are the times when you can use these words to empower yourself. You can use the du'as that we have from the Sunnah to make yourself feel better. You can use the words of Allah to make yourself get to a different state. And this is the challenge we have as human beings. You know, we go through so many different trials and tribulations and feelings and emotions. And what we really want is we want to change our state. We want to change the way we feel. It's like, even if you think about the things that we think will make us happy, you know, we might think like being successful, maybe having cars or money or, you know, doing this or that. All of these things, the real reason why we do this is to make us feel in a different way. So for example, you know, it's not the car that I love. Maybe it's the way the car will make me feel. Maybe it's the way when others see me in the car, I will feel. And so what I'm saying is that that state that you want, that can be brought to yourself right now without the car. And the way you do that is really just by asking yourself a question, using words once again. So for example, let's say that, you know, you'd say that if I had that car, I would feel powerful and I would feel confident and I would feel happy, right? If you took those words and you asked yourself, you know, just ask yourself this right now. When was the time when you felt really happy in your life? Like, just think of one time. Like, if I said to you, when were you really happy in your life? What was it like? Right? What was that time? Think about that time specifically. How was it? How did it make you feel? Why were you so happy? Right? Now, if you're doing this properly and you're really thinking about that moment, you should actually feel a bit happier, right? How is that possible? I've just said a few words and I made you feel happy. So it's not so much that we need these material things. It's more that we need to be clear in our communication with ourselves. So it's all about finding a way to communicate with yourself where you are empowered, where you are feeling the joy that you want to feel. And it doesn't come from all these things that we think it does. It actually comes from communicating with yourself on another level. And of course, using the words of Allah, using the words of the Prophet ﷺ, these are the things that will take you to another level completely. So I hope it's helped. And I just wanted to say to you that, you know, just remember to communicate with yourself as a friend rather than an enemy. You know, sometimes we're very harsh in the way that we deal with with ourselves, more than we are to someone else. So if you treat yourself kinder, if you be nicer to yourself in the words that you communicate with yourself, inshallah, it will definitely make you feel better. JazakAllahu khair for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.